Per Inside EVs, Volvo and Polestar are rolling out Samsung's digital key technology for some of their electric vehicles. This means owners can use their Samsung Galaxy smartphones as a key to lock, unlock, and start their car, without needing the physical key. The Volvo EX90 electric SUV will receive this feature starting this month in North America, Europe, Latin America, and Asia, while the Polestar 3 electric crossover will get it in the coming days across North America, Europe, and Asia. Samsung's digital key works through the Samsung Wallet app and supports 3 ways to access the car: a hands-free ultra-wideband connection, tap to unlock using near-field communication, and Bluetooth control. It's compatible with Samsung Galaxy devices as old as the S20 and Note 20 series. The key is protected by a PIN and biometric security, and if the phone is lost or stolen, owners can remotely lock or delete the key using Samsung's Find service. While it can't be used for remote locking or climate control, those functions remain available through the car's official app. This feature has been available for Audi, BMW, Hyundai, Kia, and BYD models in some markets since 2022. You are listening to UON News.